guys, I'll be showing you how to make a Nero strip steak, and this recipe can be used on other types of steak that are not too large. So first, what you need to do is you have to cut up the steak. You just cut open the steak with some scissors. You take the steak that was in the box and cut the box with the scissors so you can take it out. I have already done that. So, the tenderizer, and poke steaks, and poke holes, and all of that. You then season it with pepper on both sides, or on all sides actually. So just use more black pepper than salt. Rub it in, and then repeat this process on the same side, on the other side. And then you just drizzle on the steak. On in the bag. And you set a timer for 30 minutes. And then you just simply wait. For the pan. Right now it's 360, but I was thinking it'd be good to apply the olive oil. So you're not gonna use too much, but just drizzle it. And then you're gonna stir the pan around so the olive oil gets every single spot in the pan. And you want to cook these on both sides for 4 minutes each. Timer. And I would recommend you to check in on these, to see if they're going to be cooking right, and to see if they are just in the pan. Let's see how this one's doing. It's doing not that bad. So after you cook both each steak on both sides for 4 minutes each, you're going to lower the temperature to 200 degrees or lower. Yeah. But right now, put on 3 since there's no dial to see how much it heats up. So you're going to place. So for one steak, you would put 1 butter ball, but since I had 3, I put 1 for each steak. After you've been butter basting and letting the butter cook for 2 minutes, we're gonna put it on a glass plate or plastic, but not paper, so it does not become soggy. You can pour the steak juices onto the steaks. So after the steak has rested, you're gonna want to put it on another plate, or you can just put it on the same plate if you're very hungry. Just eat all of them all at once. After the steak has been cut into cube-shaped pieces, you are now ready to eat the steak. So after your steak has been cut into individual cube-shaped pieces, it should look like this. Nice. It's amazing.